Hi students, today we are going to solve some MCQs on the age of industrialization. Get ready and let us start. Question 1. The cotton gin was invented by A. Samuel Crompton, B. John Kay, C. Ellie Whitney and D. James Hargreaves. So the correct option is Ellie Whitney. Question number 2. England was able to fight successfully with her enemies in Europe mainly due to her dash A. Political stability, B. Economic stability, C. Social stability. And the correct option is B. Economic stability. Question number 3. The term Industrial Revolution was popularized by British economic thinker A. Arnold Toynbee, B. Necker, C. Abraham Derby. And the correct option is A. Arnold Toynbee. Number 4. In Europe, the landless farmers lost their work due to A. Industrial movement, B. Steam energy movement, and C. The enclosure movement. And the correct answer is C. Enclosure movement. Question number 5. The spinning jenny was discovered by dash A. Ellie Whitney, B. Edmund Cartwright, C. James Hargreaves. And the correct option is C. James Hargreaves. Question number 6. England has accumulated a vast amount of capital out of her profits of her growing trade in India and dash A. Africa, B. America, C. England and D. Germany. B is the correct option. America. Question number 7. The humid climate was favorable for establishment of textile factories in dash A. England, B. Germany, C. Italy. And the correct option is A. England. Question number 9. The power loom was invented by dash A. Edmund Cartwright, B. Richard Arkwright, C. Samuel Crompton. And the correct option is Edmund Cartwright. Question number 10. The country that became famous as workshop of world was dash A. India, B. Japan, C. England and D. Africa. And the correct option is C. England. Question number 12. The spinning process involves separation of cotton from the dash A. Seeds, B. Leaves, C. Flowers, D. Fruits. And the correct option is A. Seeds. Question number 13. The flying shuttle was invented by A. Samuel Crompton, B. John Kay and C. Ellie Whitney. And the correct option is B. John Kay. Question number 14. A domestic system of production had existed before the A. American War of Independence, B. Industrial Revolution, C. French Revolution. And the answer is B. Industrial Revolution. 15. The new age called Age of Steam was inaugurated by A. James Hargreaves, B. Richard Arkwright, C. James Watt. And correct option is C. James Watt. Question number 16. The Industrial Revolution first began in dash A. France, B. Germany, C. England, D. India. And the correct option is C. England. Question number 17. The first railway line was laid between Manchester and Liverpool in dash A. 1820, B. 1840, C. 1830 and D. 1800. And answer is C. 1830. Question 18. The factory system led to the concentration of wealth in the hands of a few dash A. Workers, B. Capitalists, C. Laborers. And the correct option is B. Capitalists. Question number 19. The system of crop rotation was invented by A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Townshend and C. James Hargreaves. And the correct option is B. Townshend. Question number 20. The first steamboat was invented by A. Robert Fulton, B. George Stephenson, C. John McAdam. And the correct answer is A. Robert Fulton. Question number 22. The invention of telephone was done by A. Robert Fulton, B. Graham Bell, C. George Stephenson. And the answer is B. Graham Bell. Question number 22. The idea of penny post was done by dash A. Rowland Hills, B. Alexander Graham Bell and C. George Stephenson. And the correct answer is Rowland Hills. 23. Sir Humphrey Davy invented a dash. And options are A. Power loom, B. Mule, C. Safety lamp. And the answer is C. Safety lamp. Next question. Which country is referred to as mother of industrial revolution? A. England, B. India, C. Germany and D. Africa. And the answer is A. England. For more such videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.